Hello, hello, hello. This is Stephanie Deeds with the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, coming to you from Creations Baking Company here in Mansfield on Walnut Creek. And I just have to tell you, if you've never had a cupcake from this place, oh my gosh, you gotta get here now. They have two stores. There's one in Midlothian. They've been open for about 2.5 years, and this one here in Mansfield's been about 1.5 years. These ladies sell 1,000 cupcakes every day that they're open. 1,000 cupcakes. And that is 3 days a week. They're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And every time you walk in here, you get to choose from 20 different flavors. And you know what? They're not the same every week. These are the most creative cupcake makers I have ever seen. So get out to Creations Bakery. And we just want to say a quick thank you to these ladies as well for helping us sponsor an open house that we're having in Burleson this week, and hoping that some of you get to enjoy cupcakes there as well. Thanks so much.